Hi, Alicia McGill back, and today we're talking about algebra tiles in the appendix from Math 1. We're going to look at A.1.5 to determine which is greater, which quantity, which expression. So let's start by looking at an example, and I'm just going to put two expression mats side by side. I'm going to laminate these and have them for the students laminated. You can also use the e-tools, but I like to get my hands dirty, so we're going to use our hands here. Which is greater, x plus 1, and if you want to zoom in right here, I'm looking at this. X plus 1, take away the quantity 1 minus 2x. Okay, so here's 1, and then here's this minus 2x. So is this expression greater than, and the other expression that we're looking at is 3 plus x, so we have our little 3, plus our x, minus 1, so we have our little minus 1 there, and then we're taking away the quantity x minus 4. So down here we're taking away the quantity x, there's the x, and minus 4. So we have minus 4 there. Okay? So which expression is greater? So what we want first to have kids do is get everything, flip it so they're all in the same space in the positives, and then we can start taking away what's the same, because that would still basically create another expression that's equivalent, right? So you'll see what I mean in a moment. So if I flip this from the negative to the positive, then I make these positive, and I flip that, boop. And I can also get rid of zero pairs in a moment, and I'll do that. But I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to flip this here, and then I'm going to flip these. So now they're all in the positive, okay? Then I can create zero pairs. So I'm going to say you guys are 0. So this expression so far is just 3x. Remember, these are x's. Over here I have a 0 pair with negative 1 and positive 1. So I'm going to say bye to those. And then this, negative 1 and positive 1. So I'm going to say bye to those. So which is greater? Is it 3x, or is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? And this is a great discussion. Some of these are going to be obvious, where you have more x's or more numbers. And some of the answer is going to be that you can't determine because you don't know the value of each x. And that's the idea that we really want to hit home with, this idea of you can't always tell, and that's why a variable varies. Okay? So that's the end of that one.